Welcome to the Sacred Valley, a land where nature and history intertwine majestically. The aerial views unveil rolling green fields, dotted with Incan ruins that whisper tales of a prosperous civilization. The Andes Mountains stand sentinel, their snow-capped peaks glistening under the morning sun, creating a breathtaking panorama that captivates the soul. As we soar above, the valley reveals its lush landscapes, woven like a vibrant tapestry, each thread exhibiting the colors of fertile earth and vibrant crops. The gentle flow of the Urubamba River snakes through the valley, reflecting the rich culture and spirituality of the people who have thrived here for centuries. The sacred valley of the Incas beckons travelers with its breathtaking scenery and deep-rooted history. Nestled between the bustling city of Cusco and the iconic Machu Picchu, this enchanting valley stretches approximately 60 kilometers, cradling secrets of a glorious past. As you traverse its vibrant landscapes with the mighty peaks of the Andes as a backdrop, you can almost hear the whispers of the Incas, who once flourished in these lands. The valley's fertile soil, nourished by the meandering Urubamba River, was a cradle for agricultural innovation. The Incas expertly cultivated a variety of crops, including potatoes and maize, which became staples for their burgeoning civilization. Of their agricultural prowess, capturing rainwater and optimizing sunlight, a testament to their innovative spirit and harmonious relationship with nature. Each contour of the land tells a story of enduring resilience and human ingenuity. Today, the Sacred Valley remains a sanctuary for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Visitors wander through ancient ruins, vibrant markets, and charming villages. Stunning backdrops of terraced hills and snow-capped peaks offer a feast for the eyes, making each visit unforgettable. As the sun sets behind the mountains, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, one cannot help but feel a profound connection to both history and nature. The Sacred Valley, true to its name, continues to be a sacred space for all who venture here. As we journey towards Ollantaytambo, the land's heart of this incredible destination lies in showcasing the resilience of the Inca civilization. The ruins rise majestically, their stone terraces layered like natural steps against the backdrop of the soaring Andes, inviting every visitor to step back in time. Each stone block here tells a story, a testament to the incredible skill and determination of the craftsmen who placed them with precision and care. Wandering through the narrow cobblestone streets of Ollantaytambo, you are met with the charm of tradition. These pathways, worn by centuries of footsteps, guide you through an architectural landscape that remains faithful to its Inca roots. Traditional homes with their adobe walls and thatched roofs stand side by side with remarkable structures like the Temple of the Sun and the imposing fortress. Each corner offers a glimpse into the past, while the vibrant market stalls tempt you with colorful textiles that has withstood the test of time. As the sun sets behind the towering cliffs, casting a golden hue over the terraces, you can feel the connection to this ancient civilization deep within. Ollantaytambo is a journey worth taking, one that intertwines history with the beauty of nature, leaving lasting memories for all who come to discover its wonders. The landscape, the Pisac ruins, showcase the brilliant frieze of Inca architecture, with their imposing stone walls and intricate agricultural terraces carved into the mountainside. As you wander through this ancient site, the breathtaking views of the lush valley below captivate your senses, transporting you back to a time when the Incas thrived in these majestic mountains. The exploration begins as you navigate through the remains of ceremonial terraced farming system exemplifies the ingenuity of the Incas, who adapted their agricultural practices to the harsh mountain terrain. The sheer magnificence of the ruins stands testimony to a civilization that mastered the art of living in harmony with its environment. Lively atmosphere, punctuated by laughter and chatter, offers an authentic glimpse into the traditions of the Andean community. Whether you're looking for a distinct souvenir or simply wishing to immerse yourself in local culture, Pisac invites you to experience its rich heritage, creating memories that linger long after the visit. Explores with its breathtaking circular terraces that spiral upwards like ancient amphitheaters carved into the earth. The air buzzes with potential as the shimmering sunlight, brilliance of Inca ingenuity. Each terrace, with its distinct microclimate, was an meander along the pathways that crisscross this remarkable site. The lush greenery and vibrant hues of crops planted across the terraces paint a living tapestry. This ancient agricultural laboratory enabled the Incas to cultivate an astonishing variety of crops, from potatoes to maize, fostering sustainability and resilience in their communities. Significance of Moray, making it a sanctuary for both reflection and education. Standing amidst the terraces, one can almost hear echoes of farmers tending to their crops, sharing knowledge passed down through generations. Today, visitors are welcomed with open arms to experience the harmony between human innovation and nature's bounty. Moray serves not only as a reminder of the Incas' agricultural prowess, but also as an invitation to appreciate the delicate balance required to thrive in diverse environments. As you approach, the astonishing terraced gardens unfold, revealing a cascade of vibrant flora that dances in the gentle breeze. At the heart of Tipon lies its remarkable irrigation system, a testament to the Incas' profound understanding of water management. It's from this ancient marvel, inviting you to pause and reflect on the harmonious relationship the Incas maintained with their environment. Admiring the colorful blooms, the skilled craftsmanship in the stonework, or the intricate irrigation, Tipon is not just an archaeological site, but a celebration of life and legacy. A visit to Tipon offers both beauty and tranquility, allowing you stalls brimming with hand-woven textiles, their intricate patterns speaking of the rich history of Andean culture. Invite visitors to explore. Airs filled with the sweet scent of freshly prepared local delicacies, mingling seamlessly with the aroma of natural dyes and the sounds of lively conversations among community members, with gathering plants and insects that serve as dyes, showcasing nature's palette. The mesmerizing sight of raw wool turning into vivid hues stands testament to not only skilled hands but a deep respect for ancestral wisdom, which is not only a hub for textiles but also a fascinating portal to history. An impressive colonial church sits majestically atop Inca foundations, highlighting the unique blend of cultures that characterizes this region. Inviting visitors to imagine the lives once lived here, the church's walls tell stories of resilience and faith, serving as a reminder of the rich tapestry woven from diverse influences throughout centuries. Standing before its imposing facade offers an unparalleled view of the sacred valley, where mountains touch the sky, and every vista is a reminder of nature's artistry. As the day progresses, visitors can engage with the local. Camera sweeps over the ancient ruins of Pisac, their stone structures standing as testaments to a rich culture and a resilient past. Frame captures the essence of a valley steeped in tradition, inviting you to feel the pulse of the land.